In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Hostinger auto renewal in just a few minutes. We'll walk through each step carefully so by the end you'll know exactly how to manage your subscription preferences. This is particularly useful if you want more control over when and how your services renew, or if you're looking to explore other options before committing further. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to head over to Hostinger's website. This is the main doorway to accessing your account settings, where all subscription management happens. Once there, you'll notice the Login button, typically at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. After logging in, you'll be directed to Hostinger's dashboard, often referred to as the H panel. This is essentially your control center for all things related to your website hosting account. From the dashboard, you'll want to locate and click on the billing section. It's here that you'll find all the details about your current subscriptions and billing activities. Now, within the billing section, you should see an option titled Subscriptions. Click on it. This area provides a clear overview of all the plans you currently have with Hostinger. It's a good place to check on the status of each and ensure everything is in order. Once you're in the subscription section, take a moment to inspect your active plans. It's always a good idea to double check you're reviewing the correct subscription, especially if you manage multiple services. When you're certain, select the plan you're looking to update. The next step is crucial. After choosing the plan, you should see an option to disable auto renewal. Click on this to turn off the automatic renewal process. This ensures that once your current billing cycle ends, your plan won't renew automatically, giving you the freedom to reassess your needs without any surprise charges. And there you have it. Within a few easy steps, you've successfully disabled the auto renewal for your Hostinger services. It's pretty straightforward once you know where to look and what to click. This process not only gives you greater control over your subscriptions, but also allows you to make more informed decisions at your own pace. If at any point you wish to turn the auto renewal back on, you can revisit these steps and re-enable it. Remember, these settings are there to help you manage your subscriptions in a way that best suits your situation. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you.